I'm Chris, and I was in the Marine Corps for 8 years. It's pretty tough. It was a while ago. Pretty much just I wanted to serve in some way, and the Marines just seemed like the most badass, so I went with them. I'd say it's mostly just the thing that sticks out the most would probably be just the guys I worked with that I'll never get again. You know, just these big group of guys that you're stuck with and live with and go to war with. So we'll never experience that the rest of my life, I'm sure. It's definitely drastically different once you get out, you know, being around this totally, organized, everyone's doing the same thing, you know, and then you get out into the real world and just see chaos everywhere. It seems like, you know, you go to a big city and you gotta watch your back. So that's not how it was, you know, while I was in, unless overseas, of course. But probably working hard, especially when nobody else is looking, not cutting corners, because it could be a life and death situation, you know, if you take the shortest, easiest path. So that's probably something. I'd say the fact that I haven't talked to most of the guys I worked with, but all it takes is a message or a phone call right now, and more than likely any one of them will pick up and, you know, we'll leave off right where, you know, we left it years ago. And it's just maintaining the friendship even though we're not talking every day. I'd probably say coming back home, you know, I was in for 8 years, so I was gone for a hot minute. Somebody gone for 4 years, it might not be as bad, but everyone else kind of just moves on with their life. Your family, friends from high school, whatever. They've figured out how to continue on without you, so getting back home, it can be kind of challenging to kind of put yourself back into the family and, you know, be a member of the household and whatnot. And for them not to just continue doing their own things by themselves, you know, if that makes any sense.
Right. Yeah, no, for sure.
So I'd say that's the hardest part, probably. Just normal everyday life is pretty easy, but it's just reconnecting with the family and friends. If any of you are ever going internal, just reach out to somebody, anyone. You're not alone, even if you feel alone. You know, I've lost a few friends over the years that thought they were alone when they weren't. All it took was a phone call, or it could have taken just that. So don't forget, you might be the 1%, but there are a lot of you out there feeling the same way. So stay strong.
Awesome. That's all I got, man.
Dope.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.